Assalamu Alaikum to all Muslim world. This is Dr. Ilyas Ahmed from Sadaat Qur'an Academy. You know what is going at the base of technology, and all the Muslims are reading the Holy Quran in different positions. And we are seeking the knowledge of Islamic sites, but we are very far away from the Islamic way. Why? Because we cannot follow the rules, because there doesn't seem rules of any purpose in Islamic way or in non-Islamic way. For all the Muslims who are reading the Holy Quran, memorizing the Quran, and seeking the knowledge of Holy Quran, we have must to follow some basic rules. When we follow the rules, our Quran will be going at in the correct position in different situations. Like when we'll read the Holy Quran, we'll teach the Holy Quran, we'll memorize the Holy Quran. Now it just comes at on the basic way, which is the very much topic and the very much rule. It is the tajweed. It is the Tajweed. Meaning of Tajweed is beauty and beautification, and as to do some well. It is the literal meaning. When we go at the technical meaning is some in explaining way. Technical meaning of Tajweed is to recite or to pronounce the every letter with their exact place of articulation. Now here a question, that place of articulation, what is that? You know, in different positions, we have read the basic qaida. Basic qaida is the basis of Holy Quran, because first we have to seek the knowledge of basic qaida. After that, we are able to read the Holy Quran at their exact position, in their exact purpose. In the beginning of qaida, very first topic is the Arabic letters. 29 Arabic letters containing the 18 rules, and we have to divide in these Arabic letters in the different part of speeches, because our body containing main 5 part of speeches which we are using in our daily life for the different purpose. Okay, now we'll come at the Tajweed topic to the technical meaning. I told you will pronounce and read every letter with their exact place of articulation. And if any stopping sound will become in Holy Quran, for example, if any words is completed and specific stopping sign will place in there, we have must stop there. We have to follow the rules. Okay, the second one is tartil. Tartil is also the part of tajweed, because tartil, it is the main topic which is mentioned in Holy Quran. It's the main solution which Allah gives us the great order to all the Muslims to recite the Holy Quran with tartil. Okay, now here a question. What's the meaning of tartil? Because it's just a topic. Okay, we'll go at the meaning of tartil. It has also two meanings. Like one is technical and one is literal. First, we have to go at the literal meaning. Literal meaning of tartil is repetition and recitation. Repetition and recitation. It's just two ways. When we'll go at the base of technical meaning, it's also go at the explained way. Technical meaning of tartil is to recite the Holy Quran with tajweed. Now, different people are saying that tajweed is the part of tartil and tartil is the part of tajweed. It is correct, but these two parts has their exact and executive ways, different ways, different variants. These two are the different parts, not of one way, because the topic is mentioned in one way, but position is two. We have to make a difference between tajweed and tartil. Okay. Now, literal meaning of tartil, I told you. Technical meaning of tartil is to recite the Holy Quran with tajweed. I told you tajweed meaning is beautification. Now here a question, that why we'll make a beautification in Holy Quran? What is the main purpose of beautification? Now, keep it your mind. Beautification of Holy Quran is to recite every letter with their exact makhraj. وَمَنْ يَتَّقِ اللَّهَ يَجْعَلْ لَهُ مَخْرَجًا. To recite every letter with their exact makhraj. Okay. Order of tartil is mentioned in Surah Al-Muzammal. Allah gives us a great order to all the Muslims, وَرَتِّلِ الْقُرْآنَ تَرْتِيلًا, to recite the Holy Quran with tartil. As you know, where any stopping sign will become, we have to stop there. Okay. Now, objective is like that. Objective is the audit. Objective is the audit, and here are some ways, because when Angel Jibril placed the Quran to our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and Angel Jibril get the knowledge from Allah, and they give the message to our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and Angel Jibril taught the Quran to our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam with tartil. one by one, ways by ways. This is the main and basic topic. I think it's enough for today and hope you are doing well. Follow our channel, subscribe it, and like it. Thank you.